Alright guys, good morning. I think this video has been long overdue and I'm very sorry about that. And I could give you a million excuses, but I'm not gonna go there. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump start to what we're gonna be talking about. Okay, so the first video that I told you I was going to upload is like a little introduction on Desmos. So actually, when you go ahead and Google Desmos, you pop up to this beautiful screen right here, right? You're gonna click the first one, and then it's gonna guide you to this 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 little thing, pop-up thing. It says explore math with Desmos, blah blah blah. You want to start graphing. So you wait a little bit, and now you're at this page, right? Which I was here before. Okay, so this is pretty good. This is where I kind of do most of your warm-ups in. All right, so this calculator can do basic math as well. For example, let's say you want to do 4 times 4. You're gonna do 4 and then the asterisk, which is on 8 on my keyboard. 4 and then enter gives you 16, or 3 plus 3 gives you 6. And you don't even have to press enter. I just noticed that it just actually pops up. So let's say you're doing a compound interest situation. So 801 plus 0.01, and you raise it to the second power. That's what it is. Let's see if I get the same thing when I do the percentage. Sorry, my child's in the background doing her clever as well. So I guess you cannot. You have to make sure you change your percents to decimals first. All right, and then you want to graph. Let's say you want to graph, because decimals is a graphing calculator. So y equals 2x or 2z plus 1, and there goes your line right there. Let's say you want another one, y equals 3x, right there. And look, that's where they intersect right there. And that actually tells you 1, 3. And let's say you're tired of seeing them, x, 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 x. And that is it. Don't mess with the settings. I wouldn't do that. And then all of these, I wouldn't mess with them. I mean, if you just want to like quickly glimpse at it, that's fine. But I suggest not to click on any of these. They're pretty cool though. I used them. I used them a little bit when I was in college algebra. But then I learned about this other neat website, Symbolab. Exactly how you pronounce it, Symbolab. I like this website because you can type in your problem, and it actually shows you step by step on how to go about it. So if you want a basic one, right here. So let's click on something just for me to see something. And then go right here. 4 plus 4 equals 8. The steps, 4 plus 4. Add the numbers, 4 plus 4 equals 8. So it gives you steps. But also right here on the left side, it gives you pre-algebra, algebra, pre-calculus, calculus, and so on and so forth. All right. You guys should click pre-algebra if you decide to use Symbolab. All of these we don't use. Fractions, we do use fractions. Long arithmetic, we do use that. Decimals, decimal to fraction or fraction to decimal. Exponents and radicals, ratios and proportions, percent. So let's say 5%, go. See, we just converted our percent into a decimal. So that's one of the nice things about this. And it also gives you a fraction form. And mean, median, and mode is also right here too. And another thing that I wanted to discuss with you is Texas Instruments, the company that makes your calculator, also has a free trial, 6-month trial, a student edition. I think all you have to do is put your email, and I believe it could be a personal email or a student email. I'm not sure. But it's free for 6 months, and after that, they don't charge you. It's not a hidden thing. You just download it if you want to download it. I'm trying to find the link, but you could just put Texas Instruments free download due to COVID. Right? So I'm gonna click here. And then this is where you need to go actually, right here. So then it says, do you want software for teachers or you want the software for students? You want software for students. And I believe they are going to use your email so they can verify that you are the student and you are the teacher. Okay, so that's 3 resources available to you that you can use. Feel free. If you have any more questions, email me. If you want to do like a Zoom session with me, also email me. Let me know on Google Classroom, and I will report back to you guys.